Hello everyone. In continuation with the Thinking Machine series where I introduced thinking machine architecture, in this video I will elaborate on the middle level of worldview model called transframes. Worldview formation is a critical process that enables an agent to make sense of its environment, goals, and interactions. While much attention is placed on perception and deliberation, transframes offer a dynamic, event-centered mechanism for structuring transitions. Transframes can help thinking machines encode temporal, emotional, and conceptual continuity, thereby grounding a worldview that adapts through experience. Transframes serve as a foundational mechanism for constructing, adapting, and refining worldview in thinking machines. Let's look at transframe as a cognitive structure for encoding transitions between mental states and show how it facilitates the evolution of expectations, value-laden interpretation, and goal modulation. I propose that transframes, integrated with affective and reflective components, enable thinking machines to develop a more flexible, grounded, and morally sensitive worldview. Traditional AI systems build their models of the world through symbols and static representations. But real-world intelligence needs to adapt dynamically. Transframes provide a powerful mechanism to track how experiences unfold. For a thinking machine, the ability to encode what changed, why, and what to expect next is foundational for shaping a coherent worldview. A transframe links two frames, mental models or knowledge states, by encoding how one transitions to another. For instance, if a robot pushes a button and sees a light turn on, a transframe captures this cause-effect event. Transframes are a way for cognitive agents to encode procedural and experiential knowledge with context. Worldviews aren't built from isolated facts but from experience transitions. If frame A is a perception of a closed door and frame B is an open one, the transframe connects them to the pushing action. This repeated encoding enables the agent to anticipate, plan, and refine its behavior, forming a temporal understanding of its environment. They represent the change between states, helping the agent model causality, temporal flow, and the evolution of meaning across time. Transframes are more than connectors. They are narrative and learning units. Domain adaptation is crucial when the environment changes. Imagine an AIE for a self-driving car trained in sunny weather. To work safely in dense fog, it must transframe its visual model. It has to learn new rules for what a pedestrian or another car looks like when obscured. Its worldview of the road must adapt to a new physical reality. Transframes provide a powerful yet underutilized framework for modeling how thinking machines build, update, and explain their worldview. By encoding transitions rather than just states, they reflect the fluid, affective, and causally rich nature of real-world experience. In doing so, they enable machines not just to act, but to understand, adapt, and evolve meaningfully within human-centric environments. I will further share the details of architecture and its underlying principles in my coming video series. Please subscribe my channel and like the video so that I can bring interesting insights and updates on thinking machines.